Hello and good morning. How are you all the students? Hope you are all fine. I'm your science teacher Miss Gul, and today we will start a new unit which is unit number 9, light and shadow. Today we will do the page number 79, 80, 81 and 82 of your science book. So let's take out your science book and open the page number 79. Light and shadow. Okay, we need light to see things. We always need light to see things. We cannot see in the dark. The sources of lights are sun. First is sun. The sun gives us light and changes a dark night into a bright day. Some other sources of lights are fire, electric bulb and torches. Light also comes from these objects like electric bulb, fires and torches. Okay, some lights are bright and some are dim. Look at the picture. The lights of the headlights of the car are very bright, while the light come from the lamp is very dim. Okay, first main important thing is all light travels in straight lines. Look at the picture. The light comes from the torch, travels in straight line, and light can pass through water. Look at the other picture. The light can travel through the water. Light passes through some materials but cannot pass through others. Light can pass through air. Look at the picture. The light can pass through the air. It can pass through the air but cannot pass through the tree. Light can pass through glass. In the other picture, you can see very clearly that light can pass through the glass. Light cannot pass through these materials. The three pictures are given. The light cannot pass through the rock, bricks and the wood. Light cannot pass through rock, bricks and wood. The materials that do not let light pass through them block it. When the light is blocked, it casts a shadow. Look at the picture. When the light passed through the chair, the wood blocked the light and it cast a shadow of the chair. You can clearly see in this picture. So, when the materials do not let light pass through them, it casts a shadow. Concept checked. Unscramble the words to complete the sentence. Unscramble mean सुलझाना. अब आपने सुलझाने words not arrange. So you have to arrange the words, letters. All light travel in straight dash. So the unscramble the word which is in the bracket INELS. So it will become lines. All light travel in straight lines. 2. When light is blocked, a dash is cast. Unscramble the word. Shadow. Yes, when light is blocked, a shadow is cast. Now, exercises. Choose the correct answers. You have to choose the correct answer. 4 options are given. You can circle or tick. It's up to you. First, which of the following is a source of light? A. Fire. B. Torches and lamps. C. Sun. D. All of these. Yes, circle option D. All of these are the sources of light. 2. When are shadows formed? Shadows कब बनते हैं? When light cannot pass through something, when there is a rainbow, when it is dark, when light goes round the corners. Now tell me, which option is correct? Option A. When light cannot pass through something, then shadow formed. 3. Through which object can light pass? किन ऑब्जेक्ट से लाइट गुजर सकती है, पास हो सकती है? ए वॉल, नो. बी बिल्डिंग, नो. सी रॉक्स, नो. डी ग्लास. यस, light can pass through glass. So option D is correct. 4. Which of these would not create a shadow? A person standing in the dark, a person standing in the light, a hand in front of a lamp, a tree in a park on a sunny day. So option A is correct. When a person is standing in the dark, no shadow will create. 2. Choose the correct words from the boxes to complete the sentences below. The word bank is given. The words are glass, air, wood, bricks, water, metal. 1. Light can travel through dash, dash and dash. So, light can travel through, tell me. First, glass, water and air. 2. Light cannot travel through dash, dash and dash. Light cannot travel through bricks, wood and metal. Okay, now take out your school workbook and do the page number 29 of your school workbook as homework. The keywords are given. The first word is soft, second word is loud, third word is sound, fourth word is damage, fifth word is voice. So you have to write the keywords 2 times on the page number 22. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time. Till then, Allah Hafiz.